guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share internet connection from Android to other device. So let's get started. First of all, open your settings application on your phone. Then after that, you can click on connection setting. It's over here, so just tap on it. And if we want to share our internet connection to other device, we can activate the mobile hotspot and tethering. So we can click on this setting. Okay, and we can activate the mobile hotspot by clicking on this toggle button. Okay, and now you will be able to share your internet connection to other device. And actually, there is another way to activate the mobile hotspot. So you just need to swipe down your screen to go to the notification panel, and you can swipe it again until this option appear on your screen, and you just need to click on this mobile hotspot to turn it on. Okay guys, and that's how we can share our internet connection to other devices. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.